Hello, Nephlearners. Team Nephlearn is back with another big course, which is going to satisfy all your curiosity about a very known but yet unknown entity known as CRRT. Yes, there are so many technological advances in this field, and CRRT yet remains an unexplored territory. And so we decided, because we had a lot of queries from the students about CRRT, we decided to make for you a course. And so here it is, the course on CRRT that we are dying to share with you and eager for you to learn more. But let me also share some good news with all of you. And that is that we are not a lone entity anymore. And we have an expanding team in the form of more faculties who will be joining us as the days go by. And for this course today, I have with me another faculty, Mr. Karthik Shri Kumar. Mr. Karthik Shri Kumar is very young. He passed out his dialysis BSc in 2020, and he's working currently at Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences, Kochi. And he is the senior therapist there in dialysis and also heads the clinical team. But why I chose him is he has a beautiful site called Dialysis Insights and gives a lot of information on LinkedIn as well as Instagram. But he is very well versed with CRRT, and it's like baएं हाथ का खेल for him. So I welcome Mr. Karthik Sri Kumar on board as faculty, and let me now introduce him. Let's hear him actually introduce himself in the style that we all will be familiar with in the coming lessons. So let's welcome Mr. Karthik. Hello, Karthik.
Hello, ma'am. So, hello everyone. Myself Karthik AS, and I'm delighted to be a part of the Nephlearn team as of now. And I would be very happy to be a part of the CRRT course that we are launching very soon. And I would like to be a part of the family, and we'll together venture this new course and study new and venture into new insights that we can together follow. I am currently working as a dialysis therapist and the clinical team leader at the Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences in Kochi, Kerala, where I have had the opportunity to work closely with patients undergoing a variety of treatments, including CRRT and even plasmapheresis. With several years of hands-on experience, both in clinical and in theoretical field, in RRT and in other therapies, I have had to manage to get a deeper understanding of dialysis technology, and I have dedicated my career to enhancing patient care and improving dialysis outcomes. I completed my bachelor's degree in dialysis therapy from Amrita School of Medicine, where I was honored as topper of gold medalist of my batch. Since then, I have been continuously engaged in providing critical care for both acute and chronically ill patients, including managing plasmapheresis, hemoperfusion, CRRT, and many more. This course on CRRT is designed to give you a comprehensive understanding of the latest advancements in dialysis technologies, specifically CVVHD, CVVHDF, and the other modalities related to it. You will also gain insights into the practical applications of CRRT from machine setup to patient management. I'm very excited to share my knowledge and experiences with you, and I look forward to an engaging and productive learning experience together. Thank you for joining, and let's together embark on this journey into the advanced world of CRRT. And thank you once again so much, ma'am, for having me.
A real pleasure, Karthik, to have worked with you. I have seen closely how you've been making so much efforts while making the videos so that our students learn a lot.
Pleasure is all mine, ma'am.
Let me share one small interesting feature here. You are already well versed as students with the pattern of teaching that we have videos, we have notes, we have MCQs. But
Yes.
This time round, we have something new for all of you, and that is gamification. Yes, you heard that right. We will be very soon putting up 2 or 3 cases clinically, which you will be solving, and it will be like a game. So you will get a lot of fun while you learn, and that will be an awesome experience. And I hope we are able to then engage you still better and improve your knowledge better. So Karthik and I are ready, and I hope you as students are ready too. And if you are, then you can go ahead and dive into the very first lecture. Cheers.